कुर्ता and I'm also wearing this झुमका and एक कान में मुझे नहीं मिला तो मैं नहीं पहनी मैं सब. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Fake Influencer. This is Manvi. And today I'm going to do a challenge. It's a blue food challenge and I will be eating only blue food for 24 hours. Yes, you heard it right. And when I saw this for the first time, that time I was in class 7 and when I saw this I thought I have to do it, and now it's 2025 and I am here up with this video. I am so excited for tomorrow. Actually tomorrow I am doing this challenge and yeah, I have to go market for tomorrow. I have to get some stuffs that I'll eat and survive on for tomorrow. So let's go. I'm really very excited for this. And also guys, I ordered this mic like last month and इसमें से मेरी इतनी गंदी आवाज़ आती है कि मुझे पता नहीं है कि ये माइक ख़राब है या मेरी आवाज़. For sure मेरी आवाज़ ही ख़राब है गाइस, तो आप थोड़ा मैनेज कर लिया करो. अब मैं थोड़ी सुरीले आवाज़ में बोलूँगी. सारी का आवाज़ ही ख़राब है. अब लता मंगेशकर जी तो मेरी नानी है नहीं कि मेरी आवाज़ एकदम सुरीली होगी. इसी में मैनेज करना पड़ेगा तुम्हें.
The next day.
Hi guys, good morning and it's 10:30 right now and welcome to my kitchen, and today I'll be doing blue food challenge and the key ingredients for my challenge is this. First is this flour. This is called butterfly pea flowers. This is also called aprajita in Hindi. And secondly we have blue food color. And yeah, first I'll make my breakfast, and for my breakfast this is batter for chila. Actually mama was making chila, so I just took some batter and I mixed blue food color in this. And yes, I'll also make butterfly pea tea. So now I am making this butterfly pea tea, and I've just added water and butterfly pea tea. I mean
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
the flour, and yes, I'll add honey in this. I don't want to consume sugar, so I'll add honey in this. फाइनली इतने सारे मेहनत के बाद मेरी ब्रेकफास्ट रेडी हो गई है. जस्ट लुक एट द कलर ऑफ दिस चीला. आई मेड दिस एंड ये वाला थोड़ा सा ख़राब हो गया था, बट नो वरीज, जाना तो पेट में ही है. एंड लुक एट दिस, जस्ट लुक एट दिस tea, butterfly pea tea. This is looking so pretty. This blue color is looking so pretty. I'm trying this for the first time. Actually इस टी की कोई टेस्ट नहीं है, मुझे सिर्फ हनी की टेस्ट आ रही है. Yeah, nice. I'll enjoy my breakfast. Hi guys, it's 12:10 right now and now I'm making a smoothie bowl. So first I have this Greek yogurt, and then I ordered this blueberry from Blinkit, and then I have frozen bananas, which which is frozen, which is freezed overnight. And yes, let's start. And I also have this blue food color because I know कि ये जो smoothie बनने वाला है, it will be purple, not blue. So I'll add a little bit of blue color in it, food color, and yes, let's start. Okay guys, our smoothie has become purple, but no worries, we will try and fix it. Okay, this is also purple from inside. Okay, no worries, we will try to add some blue color in it, and yes. And let's see कि कलर आता है या नहीं. This is grey, and I'll add little bit of sky blue color as well. Adding this blueberry and this mint leaf just for garnishing. I know I can't eat green, I only have to eat blue, so this is just for garnishing, and this is looking so pretty. So I have finally made a smoothie bowl for me, and look at the color. I'll just give it a try. Not that bad, but we have to survive on this only. So yes. It's 1:15 right now, and I'm really very sleepy. I have to make a blueberry cake. I have planned that I'll make a blueberry cake. So yes, I'll just bake the sponge now, and I'll just take a nap, and once I'll wake up, I'll complete the cake. So let's go and bake the sponge.
Woke up late, missed the morning glaze, but the sunlight hits in so many ways. Grabbed my shades and hit the streets, no plan, chasing vibes like seashells in the sand. Radio hums a tune I can't name, crooked smiles, crashing waves, no shame.
Okay guys, हमारी केक तो बेक हो चुकी है, बट ये फूला ही नहीं है. So I'll make another one, and yes,
Today's for us, no time to lag. Feel the world just turning slow. Let the breeze tell us where to go. Every step a beat we can make. Life's a tune.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so now we are making blue rice. Guys, look, I made blue chokha for myself. Hi guys, I am shooting after a while. It's 4:30 right now, and yes, I have changed into this blue kurta, and I'm also wearing this झुमका. And एक कान में मुझे नहीं मिला तो मैं नहीं पहनी, मैं इसे अपने बाल से छुपा लेती हूँ. I'm not a झुमका person, but yes, I am wearing. I have also applied blue काजल, जो ऐसे कैमरा में पता तो नहीं चल रहा, but yes, I'm not a kajal person, not a jhumka person, but no worries. And look at my hand, and I am here with my lunch. Look, this is blue rice जो मैंने वो फ्लावर के साथ बॉईल किया था, and this is चोखा. This is potato वाली चोखा, and yes, let's have this. ऐसे तो और कुछ मैं खा नहीं सकती थी ब्लू कलर में, so I'm having this चोखा. I just added blue color in this chokha and surprisingly it became blue. This is healthy क्योंकि इसमें नेचुरल कलर यूज़ हुआ था एंड इसमें आर्टिफिशियल कलर यूज़ हुआ था, बट इट टेस्ट सिमिलर टू द नॉर्मल वन. I have finally finished my lunch and this was much better and quite filling as well. This was the normal, जैसे आप normal चावल and चोखा खाते हो. It was just like that. I was missing dal, but yeah, if you want to try blue rice, you can surely do that. You just need to boil the butterfly pea flour and you have to put the cooked rice. I have used cooked rice. मतलब वो पहले से ही cooked किया था मम्मी ने पहले मम्मी ने पहले से ही कुक करके रख लिया था, उसे बस मैंने इसमें डाल दिया एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू लीव इट फॉर 5 to 6 minutes एंड देन योर ब्लू राइस विल बी रेडी. एंड ऑल्सो उस फ्लावर की बहुत सारी हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स भी होती है.
Approximately 10 hours later.
रात के 7:15 हो चुके हैं.
रात नहीं, शाम.
हाँ भाई.
Hi guys, so I have finally made this blueberry cake and just look at this. This is so pretty. And मेरे साथ है कोमल दी.
मेरे को लग रहा है हम ऑब्जेक्ट जैसा पकड़े में बैठे. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. चिड़िया बोले.
Look, आप तभी से वेट कर रहे थे.
बहुत मस्त लग रहा है केक.
I'll also try. ब्लूबेरी का फ्लेवर है.
फुल ब्लू
And it's
केक.
nice. Look,
अंदर से भी ब्लू.
बाहर से भी ब्लू. कल लगता है कि मेरा कमोड पूरा ब्लू होने वाला है.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Hi guys, I am back to my kitchen. This is the next day and good morning. It's around 10:30 or 11 right now. I woke up at 10 and this is going to be the last dish of the Blue Food Challenge, and in this I am making this Maggi pasta with Blue Lagoon Mojito. And yeah, actually I was about to make this dish yesterday night, but I was too tired yesterday, and since I thought that it's a 24 hours challenge, I'll make it tomorrow morning. So let's get into the video and let's start making our breakfast. blue food is not that appetizing to your stomach. It looks good, it looks cool, but it's not that good. And also I feel that my stomach is upset now. So yes, this is going to be the last dish, and yeah, after that I'll eat some yummy dishes made by my mother.
Where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day. Whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds.
Okay guys, I finally made this blue pasta and this blue mojito. I'll enjoy this. I'll enjoy my breakfast. Until then, you go like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you liked it, please subscribe. And yeah, that's it. Bye bye.